What if the world's most powerful trucks and supercar DNA were reborn as futuristic rolling mansions? Today, we're diving into the top 3 futuristic motorhomes that don't just take you on a journey, they redefine what it means to live in motion. From Bugatti's Palace on wheels, to Volvo's Scandinavian powerhouse, to the bold MAN TGX skyscraper on the highway, these aren't RVs, they're luxury starships built for the open road. Buckle up, because what you're about to see will change the way you imagine travel forever. Toyota decided to build the ultimate futuristic caravan motorhome. A vehicle that combines the practicality of Toyota's engineering with the luxury of a moving smart home. Well, today we're going to explore just that, the Toyota Caravan Motorhome concept. Let's begin on the outside. From the front view, this motorhome doesn't just look futuristic, it looks commanding. The entire body stretches with a bold and extended design, finished in metallic graphite gray with smooth chrome accents. The panoramic curved windshield rises like a glass dome, giving the driver a sweeping, cinematic view of the world ahead. The Toyota emblem, glowing proudly at the center grille, is framed by slim, futuristic headlights and neon red LED edge lighting that runs across the fascia. And when you see this machine move near a luxury mansion driveway, it feels like watching the future of family travel unfold right in front of your eyes. Now, walk with me to the rear exterior and the story continues. Vertical red LED light strips trace down the back, emphasizing its scale. A glowing Toyota logo takes the center position, almost like a signature of futuristic craftsmanship. Multiple chrome alloy wheels anchor the massive body, reminding us this is not just for show. This is built to dominate the road. Even the side profile reveals retractable panels and slide-out extensions, giving the vehicle the ability to transform into something much larger once parked. It's like a modern villa on wheels, ready to expand wherever you stop. Step inside, and this Toyota motorhome transforms into a moving luxury apartment. The living room is where the wow factor truly begins. With extended slide-out modules, the space opens wide, more like a living suite than an RV. Matte gray and chrome finishes create a sleek, modern look. 2 large black leather sofas with red stitching face each other, framing a glass coffee table. The walls and ceilings are lined with futuristic LED ambient strips, glowing softly to set the mood. Large tinted panoramic windows flood the room with natural light while maintaining privacy, letting you enjoy desert sunsets or garden views in total comfort. Built-in digital control panels and futuristic storage cabinets make the space not just beautiful, but practical. It's a lounge where you could relax with family, entertain guests, or simply enjoy the quiet hum of the motorhome after a day's drive. But then you move to the bedroom, and the luxury continues. Here, you'll find a queen-sized floating bed, upholstered in black leather with red accents. The bed appears to hover thanks to glowing LED strips beneath the frame. Behind it, a graphite gray wall with soft LED backlighting creates a calm, futuristic atmosphere. Tinted windows on both sides reveal desert horizons or city skylines, depending on where your journey takes you. Built-in chrome wardrobes and overhead smart panels keep the space organized without clutter. Red LED strips running along the ceiling and floor bring a warm, futuristic glow to the room that it doesn't feel like a camper bedroom. It feels like a luxury hotel suite that just happens to move with you. Now, let's talk about the driver cabin, where innovation takes the spotlight. This cockpit is more like a futuristic command center than a traditional RV dashboard. The wide panoramic windshield stretches overhead, making the road ahead feel endless. A sleek digital dashboard with holographic displays gives navigation, speed, and even augmented reality projections. The Toyota logo glows proudly at the center of the steering wheel, surrounded by touch-sensitive illuminated controls. The black leather ergonomic captain seats, accented with red stitching, combine sports car design with motorhome comfort, and subtle LED strips along the edges tie the whole space together. It's modern, it's high-tech, and it feels like stepping into the future of driving. Now, let's imagine how this concept might perform. Toyota is known for reliability, but with a motorhome of this scale, we're talking about a hybrid twin-turbocharged V8 powertrain producing around 900 horsepower. That means effortless highway cruising, even when carrying the weight of a luxury home. And the price? Well, luxury comes with a cost. A vehicle of this design, scale, and technology would likely start at $3 million to $4 million. That's supercar money, but then again, you're not just buying a vehicle. You're buying a luxury mansion that happens to move. So, what makes this Toyota Caravan motorhome special? It's not just the futuristic looks or the glowing red accents. It's the way Toyota could take the concept of mobility and turn it into a lifestyle experience. From the lounge to the bedroom, from the driver cabin to the exterior design, everything screams futuristic luxury. And while this may just be a vision for now, it's a vision that makes you wonder, is this the future of motorhomes? Would you drive this Toyota Caravan across the desert? Or park it near a luxury villa and call a home? Ferrari launched a motorhome, not just a camper, but a rolling masterpiece of speed, style, and Italian luxury. Today, we're taking you inside a concept Ferrari motorhome that blends the soul of a supercar with the comfort of a five-star villa. From the front, this Ferrari motorhome makes a bold first impression. Imagine a sleek, polished black body accented by glowing red neon strips that outline the design. The front grille is wide and powerful, wearing the Ferrari badge like a crown. The massive chrome wheels shine under the garage lights, and the aerodynamic curves hint at both speed and luxury. Red underglow lighting sets a dramatic mood, making it look less like a motorhome and more like a hypercar stretched into a luxury RV. Now, shift to the rear. From this angle, the body feels even more commanding. Tinted windows run across the length, glowing faintly as if the interior itself is alive. The Ferrari logo glows boldly at the center of the rear panel, and subtle chrome details frame the edges. The lighting and reflections bring out its sculpted panels, giving the whole vehicle a sense of motion, even while parked. It's pure Ferrari design DNA, bold, futuristic, and unmistakably Italian. But the real magic begins when you step inside. The living room is designed for both comfort and style. Matte black and soft gray walls create a sleek modern atmosphere with thin red LED strips running along the ceiling edges. Two recliner sofas in premium black leather with red stitching face each other across a minimalist glass coffee table. Behind them, glossy black cabinets with chrome handles provide storage that looks as elegant as it is practical. Medium tinted windows let in golden desert light, giving the space a warm glow. The polished dark wood floor adds richness, while subtle edge lighting underlines the luxury feel. This is not just a lounge. It's a Ferrari living room on wheels. Next, let's move into the bedroom. At the center, a king-size bed dominates the space, framed by a black leather headboard with Ferrari's signature red stitching. The bedding is soft gray with clean modern lines, glowing faintly under red LED strips hidden in the ceiling. Built-in side tables finished in glossy black with chrome trim sit on either side. Above the bed, a sleek overhead storage unit with hidden lighting creates a warm, inviting glow. The tinted side windows reveal a desert horizon painted in golden sunlight, giving you a sense of travel, freedom, and peace. The floor, finished in dark polished wood, ties it all together with subtle edge lighting. This isn't just a bedroom. It's a luxury Ferrari suite rolling across the open road. Now, step into the driver's cabin. Here, Ferrari's racing spirit really comes alive. Two captain's chairs in black leather with red stitching sit in front of futuristic dashboard. Holographic displays rise out of the matte black panels, glowing red with speed, navigation, and system controls. The Ferrari logo sits at the center of the steering wheel, reminding you that you're not just driving a motorhome, you're commanding a Ferrari machine. The panoramic windshield stretches wide, framing the desert highway outside with cinematic clarity. Sunlight reflects across the glass and leather, creating an atmosphere of control, power, and confidence. Now imagine what powers this beast. A concept Ferrari motorhome like this could carry a hybrid V12 paired with electric motors, delivering well over 900 horsepower. That means instant torque, high-speed acceleration, and the kind of driving experience no motorhome has ever offered. With Ferrari's DNA, this isn't just transportation. It's performance engineering applied to luxury travel. And with a price tag estimated at around $2 million to $3 million, it would sit firmly at the top of the luxury RV market. So what do you get for that price? You get a vehicle that blends speed, design, and lifestyle. A living room that feels like a penthouse. A bedroom that feels like a boutique hotel. A cockpit that feels like a supercar. And an exterior that turns highways into runways. Would you live in a Ferrari motorhome like this? Or take it cross-country as the ultimate road trip machine? Tell us in the comments what feature you'd use first, the recliner lounge, the king-size bed, or the cockpit itself. Thanks for watching this concept reveal of the Ferrari futuristic motorhome. Don't forget to subscribe to NeuroDrive for more deep dives into the vehicles of tomorrow, from supercars to motorhomes that redefine travel. Bentley, the legendary British brand of elegance, decided to design a motorhome. Not just any RV, but a two-story palace on wheels blending craftsmanship, technology, and the scale of a rolling luxury mansion. Today, we're diving into the Bentley double-decker futuristic motorhome. Let's start with the exterior. The first impression is absolutely commanding. Parked inside a massive industrial warehouse, this Bentley motorhome looks more like a yacht on land. From the front, you see a bold aerodynamic nose with a curved panoramic windshield that flows like glass architecture. The glowing Bentley logo sits proudly at the center of the grille, framed by razor-thin futuristic LED headlights. The glossy two-tone body, painted in pearl white with black accents, gives it both elegance and presence. Add in glowing orange LED strips that trace along the edges, and you instantly know this is not just a vehicle, it's a statement of power and design. And those massive chrome wheels? They're not just for show. They carry the weight of this multi-level machine with authority, shining under natural light streaming through tall warehouse windows. From any angle, it feels like a Bentley luxury villa transformed into motion. Now, let's swing around to the rear design. Bentley's elegance is alive in every sculpted panel. Vertical LED taillights stretch like glowing beams, integrated into aerodynamic curves. The rear grille carries a softly lit Bentley emblem, reminding you of the brand's luxury DNA. The wide stance, supported by multi-axle chrome wheels, makes it feel rock solid yet refined. Inside the warehouse, you notice dust floating through sunlight beams, creating a cinematic vibe that almost feels unreal. This is Bentley's design language, sophisticated, artistic, yet commanding. But the real magic begins inside the cabin. Step into the driver's cockpit, and you're surrounded by craftsmanship you'd expect from a Bentley. The dashboard combines leather and polished wood trim, glowing digital clusters, and futuristic holographic HUD displays. The steering wheel carries the glowing Bentley emblem, and the tan leather captain's chairs, stitched in a diamond pattern, promise long drives in complete comfort. Ambient orange LED strips line the interior edges, giving a modern futuristic glow without losing Bentley's classic elegance. Now, let's walk into the living room. This is not just an RV lounge, it's a penthouse living space on wheels. The design feels inspired by luxury yachts. White leather sofas with Bentley's diamond stitching wrap around a sleek glass coffee table. The flooring is polished wood, adding warmth against the futuristic design. Panoramic tinted glass walls stretch floor to ceiling, allowing natural sunlight to pour in. At night, the ambient LED lighting transforms the space into a glowing futuristic lounge that a massive wall-integrated screen serves as an entertainment hub, while Bentley's signature minimalism makes the space feel open, luxurious, and uncluttered. It's the kind of room you could host a cocktail party in, while parked in the middle of nowhere. And then, the bedroom. This is where luxury meets serenity. A king-size bed with a Bentley-branded headboard dominates the space, finished with premium leather and subtle lighting accents. Ambient orange LEDs glow softly around the ceiling edges, creating a hotel suite atmosphere. Polished nightstands, chrome-detailed wardrobes, and a futuristic mirrored closet keep everything clean and modern. Large tinted windows frame views of the outside world. Whether you're parked in a quiet desert or overlooking a modern city skyline, it feels like waking up in a five-star suite. Oh, what about performance? This is a Bentley after all. The futuristic motorhome concept is imagined with a hybrid V12 powertrain, delivering over 1,200 horsepower. That's supercar performance built into a two-story villa on wheels. While the size emphasizes elegance and comfort, the engine ensures smooth and powerful highway cruising, the kind only Bentley could engineer, and the price. For a machine of this scale and exclusivity, you'd be looking at an estimated $4 to $5 million. Yes, this is more expensive than many private jets, but then again, this is a Bentley rolling mansion, not a simple camper. In the end, this Bentley double-decker motorhome represents the ultimate dream of road luxury. It combines architecture, engineering, and lifestyle into one seamless creation. It's not just transportation, it's a palace that moves with you. Would you live in one of these? Or is it just a fantasy meant for the world's elite?